Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to disable double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Here, I double tap on home page in the empty space. It is screen is turned off. Okay, to disable this feature, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to advanced features, then go to motions and gestures, and here double tap to turn off the screen is already turned on. You go to turn off this button to disable this function. Double tap to turn off the screen. Now if you double tap on empty screen on home page or in lock screen, it will not turn off. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off or disable double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.